Hello guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos or slash missions. So our Operation Whirlwind started on the 25th of June 1986. Now it's, as you can see, the 27th of June 1986. It is 14:05. Yeah, so around lunchtime. Now today's mission is, I just left this on intercept, but today's mission is on the first day of our operation. We gave F4 Phantoms cover so they could destroy targets. Then on the next day, we ourselves tried to drop some dumb bombs, but 3 F-14s got shot down. There are 2 crews still alive, and 1 couldn't eject and was just vaporized. So that is why we have 2 Seahawks, and those guys are basically going to rescue our units, and we are going to give them cover. The enemy units are 2 MiG-25s, 2 MiG-23s, SAMs, manpads, and all of that kind of stuff. So let's start. Yeah, we still got a taxi to the catapults. I hope we're not too late, because that would be fatal for our rescue mission. Yeah, there they are. But our helicopters have not been detected on radar yet in the approach to their rescue mission. Oh, there you are. Sorry. Wheel chop. No, all good. Oh, why do I have this on? Yeah. Go right. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. I'm kind of blind, so there we go. Yeah, now go. Okay. And stop. Let's prepare everything. Wings flap out. Wings coming. Nose wheel steering off. We are only a 2-ship of F-14s again. I don't think we need any more F-14s. Why am I always turning this to air? It's just a habit. Okay. There we go. Oh, okay. Other guy also coming. Now let's see. Up, down, right rudder, left rudder. Okay, full speed. We're all good. And salute. There we go. Okay. Let's set the trim. And yeah, we don't need to watch out for any other airplanes. We just need to be fast. Yeah, we just need to go fast into the mission zone where they need us. We're gonna cross the line of death, which means that Libyan radar is, as always, gonna detect us. And then we're just gonna, yeah, just fly over the Seahawks or close to the Seahawks around the area, like 30, max 40 nautical miles away from them, and try to keep any threats away. Because just a rescue helicopter, yeah, I mean, they have not been detected yet, but that can change any time.
Friendly, 6 o'clock, 4 miles.
The strange thing is, they've already loaded the pilots in.
Dirt at 1 o'clock.
Or one of them has already loaded the pilots in. I don't know about the other one. Let's check. Yeah, no, he's still approaching. That is not looking professional, but yeah.
Hey, I got some dirt at 11 o'clock.
We need to get some more speed. I feel the need for speed. Let's go. 3 MI8s, just checking for
Missile, 11 o'clock. Brake right.
braking. Oh my god. Jester, you're too smart for this game. That's our Tomahawks. Look at that, they're impacting on some scuds. That's not a missile, that's coming at us. Yeah, I think we maybe, yeah, we're too late, but I mean, yeah.
Okay, we got dirt at 2 o'clock and dirt 11 o'clock.
And if this, if everything goes right in this mission, I think the conflict, well, it's not really, yeah, it's not really a war, it's a conflict.
2 o'clock.
It's gonna be over.
Missile, 11 o'clock. Brake right.
It's all good, Jester, that's Tomahawks. Yeah, that's a lot of them, but they're all impacting at like one point and not spreading out like they're supposed to. Yeah, they all hit the same point. Oh my god, why is this so stupid?
Missile, 11 o'clock. Brake right.
Why is...
Missile, 11 o'clock. Brake right.
I just hate that nobody can do their job. You're supposed to fan it out. I literally set a radius. In that radius, you're supposed to spread out your rounds. What do these guys do? They pump everything into one hole. Why is everybody so stupid? I am surrounded by idiots.
Missile, 11 o'clock. Brake right.
Let's set our jammer.
Roger that.
Oh my god, this is making me... Yeah, shut up. Shut up, RWR. Yeah, fuel is still good. Okay, now we're crossing the line of death. Anything interesting here? That's our carrier, yeah. That's... Okay.
Missile, 11 o'clock. Brake right.
It's all good, Jester. Now we got some floggers taken off.
Looks like I have mud. 4 o'clock. And Mud Spike, 5 o'clock.
I don't know about this,
Nails,
Jester.
12 o'clock. And Nails, 11 o'clock.
Well, should we engage or should we follow the Seahawks? I mean, technically, these guys could become kind of dangerous for us. Let's look at the
Looks
Seahawks.
like Nails, 1 o'clock.
Yeah, they're both coming back and they're... Yeah. But these MiGs, one MiG is heading towards our Seahawk. So I don't know. I think we should probably engage before they shoot us down. Because, I mean, even if we don't want to engage, they want to. I'm pretty sure they do. And also, I recently got a recommendation from a viewer. I already said that about a head tracking software. And I just wanted to say again, thank you very much.
11 miles.
Now we got him 11 miles. TV on. Since ROE is just fire at will or weapons
Here we go
free.
again. We're at 440.
I'm just gonna do a Fox 1 here. Fox 1. Tally 1. Can we get the second one too? I don't see the second one. Flapping my wings out now.
6 o'clock low.
Okay, one already went past us.
Spike on our nose, 12 o'clock.
Okay, he spiked us.
410.
Fox 2.
12 o'clock.
Okay, that didn't hit. Fox 2 again. Nope, didn't hit again. Flaring.
1 o'clock
There we
low.
go. Into the merge here.
380. Shit, the missile missed. 12 o'clock high. 300 knots. 12 o'clock. Missile missed. 7 o'clock high. He's coming right.
Dude,
9
engage
o'clock.
the bandits.
He's coming
Engage.
left. 5 o'clock high. He's coming left. 12
But
o'clock.
there's one right behind us.
Speed 240 now. 1 o'clock high.
Okay, copy.
6 o'clock.
Okay, we're both at the same one.
8 o'clock
We're
high.
on the same one.
2 o'clock.
He didn't hit, but
Passing
his
220.
missile didn't hit, but here I am.
Come on.
Okay,
show me
Fox
some of
2,
that pilot shit.
good luck.
3 o'clock
Or
high.
no, not Fox 2 yet.
270.
I don't know. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm at Fox 2. Good track.
320, almost corner.
He's out of flares. Good track. It's a track minute. Splash 1. Splash from our wingman. Copy.
Is down.
What about this guy? He's flaring the shit out of that missile. Nope, he's running towards the Seahawk. Okay, compressor stall. But he's going through the clouds. Yeah, wingman, I'm flapping my wings back a little bit for some extra speed. I just really want to get a Sidewinder shot at him. I don't know why. Just an instinct. Okay, one engine still is not in the best shape, but...
Missile, 11 o'clock. Hot. Missile, 11 o'clock. Hot.
Yeah, Jester, calm down. That is still a Tomahawk.
430. And that's 480. Missile, 11 o'clock. Hot. Missile, 11
Is he
o'clock.
turning back into
Hot.
us?
And that's 510. Missile, 11 o'clock. Hot. Shoot him. Closing. Bogey. Foxbat.
Okay, here we
1
go.
o'clock.
Fox
4
2.
miles.
And wingman, engage bandits. Engage the fox bats,
12
please.
o'clock. 12 o'clock. Speed 470. Splash. Bandit
Splash 1.
is going down.
Fox 2 kill. Fox 2 kill. Now we got a MiG-25 off the nose.
MiG-25.
Here we go, Fox
closing.
1. Good shot, good track. He's not defending.
Splash.
Splash 2, Fox 1 kill.
Bandit is going down.
Now what about the rest? One MiG-20. No. One MiG-25 is attacking our Seahawks.
Speed 410.
Let's go.
Passing 440.
We haven't got that much time, come on.
We're coming through 480. Missile, 2 o'clock. Hot.
Do I see him there?
Missile,
Yeah.
2 o'clock.
Tally.
510.
Here we go, Fox 1. We got to get him off of that guy. Yeah, Fox 1, copy. We both Fox 1
That's a
him.
Fox bat. Target, 7 miles.
Oh, that's good. Coming in closer. Switching
We
to
have a
guns just in
friendly, 12
case.
o'clock. 5 miles. Splash. 12 o'clock.
Splash.
Bandit is going down.
Bandit's going down. Rejoin formation, man. One SH-60 is already landed. I'm just gonna cover the other one. We're still good on
140.
fuel. Let's look at our kills. We got 4 enemy airplanes. I destroyed 3.
450 knots.
Okay. Yeah, that's the helicopter just below us. There it goes. Okay, but we need to stay here just in case the Libyans launch some more fighters. Anything else goes wrong, so yeah. There he goes. Just gonna let him know the Tomcats are here.
Hey, bud, we got nail 6 o'clock.
Yeah, okay, that wasn't that cool, but I tried my best. Anyway. Wingman still gonna do anything today after this flight? I mean, it's only... What's the time? Yeah, it's 4... Oh, it's 14:20. 14:21 to be exact. I didn't see that there. Okay, yeah, that's kinda, yeah, 14:21. I think the mission with the briefing took us around 17 to 18 minutes. For now. Problem is just that I'm out of winders and I still got 1 sparrow left. So if anything comes, I'm just gonna let you know that I won't be the one to shoot it down. Unless that 1 sparrow tracks and doesn't go stupid. Yeah, let's drop the tanks.
Tanks are pickled. Hey man,
There they
good
go.
at 10 o'clock.
Still any... Yeah, well, of course, we didn't inflict any damage to that stuff right there because... Yeah, it all hit 1 spot. Great. You guys are so smart. But anyway, we managed to save some pilots. Now we just gotta wait for the SH-60 to land, and then we're done. We can go home finally. Wingman, read your information, please. And just in case, I know this might be too late, but ECM on.
Music on. That's Nails, 2 o'clock.
Okay, SH60 having some trouble here. I think for him, the biggest threat for him is the landscape. But let's just hope that he's a skilled pilot and that that our nice little guy, or the nice little guys that we've saved don't die in some kind of crash, because that would be stupid. We already lost 2 pilots. I mean, 1 pilot and a Rio. I don't want to lose any more. I don't think the Navy does either.
There's a friendly 260, 58 miles.
And
Angel
yeah,
7.
so far they've landed right here because we've captured that point, or that city that has been captured by U.S. forces. And this thing here is a fob, or gonna be a fob soon. So that's why we're sending these guys there. And also the carrier doesn't have that much space. I mean, so far all of the F-14s are deployed, but yeah, they just don't want to keep the pilot on the carrier. So they're gonna be here until they get another transport helicopter. Something is wrong with that helipad, because that goes quite far down there. Is it supposed to be like that? I don't think it's supposed to. That's a bug. It's a bad bug. But anyway, I mean, they've arrived there. We're gonna go home now. I mean, we're done here. Nothing else to do.
Dirt at 1 o'clock.
So yeah, you already know the procedure. I'm gonna do a cut here, and I'll see you when we are getting in contact with the carrier ATC. So yeah, we can come in for case 1. So I'll see you in a few minutes. Bye.
Marshall 010, marking mops 03348, Angels 14.5, holding hands with 011, low state 8.6.
Yeah. See you at 10.
010. See you at 10.
010. Update state. Switch tower.
010. Low state 8.5.
Okay, so here we go. And we're not entering case 1 yet, just going down. So yeah, we're gonna go around the carrier twice before we come in for the ball. Last time our landing wasn't that great, or you could say effective. I mean, we crashed. Me and Jester survived, but it wasn't cool. I don't understand why the carrier has always got his lights on, even if it's, like right now it's 14 o'clock. I don't need any lights. Okay, so turning again. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. Wingman, go to RTB. And don't crash into me. Don't crash in. Still don't. That was so damn close. It could have just ended. It could have just ended right here. But I knew that he was gonna do some stupid stuff, so I already steered away. Okay, here we go. What's our speed? Okay, gear down. Flaps down. Okay, just gonna watch out. Nothing. That we're not gonna do any mistakes. Now we still need to go around one time. Yep, our guy is doing some stuff, and you can't really tell the AI, or I haven't found out how to, that you're gonna land first and then they're gonna land. They're just gonna instantly land. So yeah, maybe I just tell him to hold position, because then yeah, we won't be annoyed. I'm bad enough at landing. I don't need somebody to make it more difficult for me. Now let's just stay at 800 feet. We're a bit too high. Yeah, no, 900 feet is good. I mean, we're gonna lose some in turning. Or while turning, sorry. We will wait until we're 1 mile out from the carrier. There we go. Now let's turn in. We're coming from the wrong side, but okay. Yeah, I wouldn't. Why was I coming from the wrong side? I didn't.
010. Comcat.
Okay, compressor stall.
010. Comcat ball 10.0.
Okay.
010. Comcat ball 10.0.
Okay. Bolter, bolter, bolter. That was awful. But I mean, I was coming from the wrong side. Come on, Jester, that wasn't a 3-wire. I boltered. It would have been a 3-wire. Did anything break? No. If something breaks, I am completely screwed. For example, if my hook breaks, yeah, we're never gonna make it to the carrier again. It's over. But anyway,
6 o'clock.
let's hope that doesn't happen. Coming in again. Okay, bit of speed.
Yep, that's dirt at 11 o'clock.
Now we're too fast. You can't do big throttle adjustments in the F-14. You gotta keep it like really, really smooth.
010. Comcat ball 9.7.
Why am I always overturning? I always end up too far on the right side. Okay, why my DLC was not... Come on. Every landing. It happens every time. I just get Why am I always overturning? I never manage to like get the radius of my turn right, so I don't so I don't turn too far. And the LSO isn't answering. That isn't making it any easier. I just hope that my wingman doesn't die because he's flying on full afterburner. Because that's what they do when you tell them to anchor.
010.
That was too early, I'm sorry.
9.6. Tomcat ball, 9.5.
Okay, now this isn't that bad. I got to get down. Oh, that was something. 4-wire.
Ah, pity. 4-wire.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. That was a pity, but I mean... Yeah. Anyway. Let's tell our nice wingman to RTB. Why are my wings not folding? No. Are my flaps jammed? My flaps are jammed. Come on. I wasn't even that fast. Well, anyway, it looks like...
Request repair.
Yeah, well, for some reason I can't get a repair. No, I don't know how they jammed. But anyway, I mean, that was a pretty good mission. Kind of annoying that my flaps had to jam right now. But yeah, anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. This was a great mission. It was a lot of fun. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.